Carboxylic acids lecture 2 YouTube channel Lingaradi Chemistry JEE NEET Chemistry for IIT JEE NEET blogspot.com. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for updated videos. Today topic is chemical properties of carboxylic acid. The first point, acidity of carboxylic acid. Already we discussed this topic in the GOC, acidic strength and basic strength. Right now we will discuss only carboxylic acid acidic strength. The acidity means what? Acidic strength means generally it's directly proportional to the tendency of losing of H plus. It loses a proton which is easily losing. Those substances acidic strength is more compared to other. Now the acidity is relative case with which it loses a proton leaving behind the anion. Its acid strength depends upon the difference in the stability of the acid and its anion. Okay, after losing H, suppose here carboxylic acid is there, after losing H it is forming carboxylate anion is forming. Suppose this anion, if it is same, if it is more stable, this is also known as conjugate base. It is acid means it is the conjugate base. If the conjugate base is more stable, obviously that acid will release easily H plus, that acidic strength is more. Understood? Suppose ROH is there, after releasing H it becomes RO minus. You tell me now, RO minus and RCOO minus, which is more stable? See here, negative charge, again electron donating group is there, that means unstable it is, unstable. But here due to resonance it is stable, वो stable बन रहे means easily this carboxylic acid donate H plus ion. That means acidic strength is more for carboxylic acid compared to alcohols. Next, effect of substituents on acidity. Okay, so here on the R group, electron, generally we know that Ka is the acidic strength symbol, acid dissociation constant, is directly proportional to minus inductive and minus mesomery group. Ka is inversely proportional to plus inductive and plus mesomery groups. Okay, electron withdrawing groups are there, the acidic strength will be increases. See here, carboxylic acids are higher acidic strength than water, then alcohol, then acetylene, amines and alkanes. Why? Because after donating H plus ion, these are forming conjugate base. This carboxylate ion is more stable. Okay, then OH minus, then acetylide, then amide, carbene ion. Okay, so if you talk about basicity, obviously this basicity is more. Acidic strength less means basic strength is more. So one common principle is that weak acid conjugate base is stronger base होता है, conjugate base. weak acid से बनने वाला base conjugate base है, strong acid से बनने वाला base, that means that is called conjugate base होता है, वो conjugate base is weaker होता है. Okay, so example, weak acid, suppose H2O also we can take as weak acid. If you take H2O conjugate base is OH minus, you know that OH minus is a strong base. weak acid से आने वाला base strong base है, strong acid से बनने वाला base weak base होता है. ठीक है. Now the acidity is increasing, already we discussed. you can see here COOH groups, alpha position 1 chlorine is there, here 2 chlorines are there, here 3 chlorines are there. The acidic strength is increasing, the Ka is increasing. When donating groups, inductive groups are increasing, then acidic strength will be decreases. Here 3 donating groups are there, so acidic strength is decreasing. Now COOH alpha and beta gamma, alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma. So gamma carbon nahi hai idhar, only beta. So here sp hybridized carbon, sp2 hybridized and sp3 hybridized carbon is there. So sp is more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom means it is acting as minus inductive group, so acidic strength will be increases. Acidic strength will be increases. Here acidic strength less, then again it's less. Here fluorine more electronegative atom, that's why acidic strength is more for this. Here iodine less electronegativity is there, minus inductive group hai, but minus inductive group the effect is very less. Next, same example here. Now when we are talking about carbox benzoic ortho effect. Ortho effect means the ortho substituted benzoic acid, whether the substituent is electron withdrawing or releasing, is comparatively stronger acid than the para and meta isomers. Okay, ortho hydroxybenzoic acid or ortho methyl benzoic acid, electron donating or withdrawing, whatever it is. Even I am taking NO2 group adjacent, COOH is there. So these ortho substituted benzoic acid acidic strength is higher than the meta and para. Okay. Why? The question is why? This effect is called ortho effect. It's okay. It occurs due to the joint operation of steric hindrance. Number 1 is steric hindrance. Number 2, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to these two reasons, ortho substituted benzoic acid acidic strength is more than meta and para. You can see here ortho hydroxybenzoic acid, after donating H plus, here this oxygen becoming O minus, right? This oxygen and this hydrogen forming intramolecular hydrogen bond. That means this conjugate base is more stable. More stable conjugate ion is forming means it is ready to lose H plus ion. Means acidic strength Ka is more. Okay. Next, see ortho is higher, it's okay, but what about meta and para? Actually here this hydroxy group lone pair is there, so it is plus mesomeric group. Here there is no plus mesomeric effect is not applicable at meta position. Only inductive effect is there. That inductive is here minus inductive, electron negativity is more, that's why minus inductive. So we know that Ka is directly proportional to minus M and minus I, inversely proportional to plus I and plus M. Okay, here plus M is there, that's why less. Here minus I is there, that's why more. Is exceptionally it's more. Okay, of course here this group is minus inductive group is there, but here steric hindrance and hydrogen bond is considered. That effect is more than this inductive and mesomeric. Next, chemical reactions. In this chemical reactions here, two types of bond cleavage takes place here in between hydrogen and oxygen also, and next here carbonyl carbon and oxygen, two types A and B. Okay, now we will discuss here reaction with active metals. Reaction with active metals. So active metal, generally the sodium, those are replaces acidic hydrogen or active hydrogen. एक्टिव हाइड्रोजन के पास एक्टिव हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करते हैं मेटल्स. सो यू कैन सी हियर सोडियम इज रिप्लेसिंग दिस एक्टिव मेटल्स. सो acid plus base equal to salt, we know this. So here it is forming salt. Carboxylic acid, acid plus base is giving salt. Reaction with bicarbonates and carbonates, this is important reaction here. This reaction we will use for identification of the functional group also. Carboxylic acids react with carbonates and bicarbonates to liberate carbon dioxide gas. So distinguish test में use करते हैं. How can you distinguish phenol and carboxylic acid? That type of question will be there. So phenol cannot react with sodium bicarbonate, but carboxylic acid react with sodium bicarbonate and liberating carbon dioxide gas. Okay, that is the distinguish test. Now this carboxylic acid can react with sodium bicarbonate as well as sodium carbonate or calcium carbonate. So calcium carboxylate, sodium carboxylates, these are forming. Next, reaction involving cleavage of OH group. This well-known reaction, it is there in the lower classes also as esterification test. In this esterification test, carboxylic acid reaction with alcohol forming ester functional group. Now here the important thing is which oxygen is eliminating in the water molecule, that is important. So here this oxygen, suppose if I am keeping here star mark, the star mark oxygen is in the water molecule. Okay, so you can see why mechanism. You can see H2SO4 donating H plus ion. This H plus ion protonation takes place. So the protonation takes place here. This pi bond is shifting here. So partially positive charge. Immediately the next alcohol is attacking on the carbonyl position, carbonyl carbon. So this alcohol oxygen getting positive charge due to 3 bonds. Okay, releasing from this oxygen and protonation takes place on any one of this OH group. Okay, so this is the step you can understand here. So oxygen again getting positive charge. So now this time completely H2O is releasing. So the carbocation ban gaya. So this carbocation, see this OH I can write like this. So this sigma bond is donating to carbocation. Okay, so here this H is releasing as H plus. So we are getting ester. The relative reactivity of alcohol to ester formation is depends on their structure. The greater the bulk of the substituent near the OH group, the slower the reaction would be. Same fact is followed by acid as well. Okay, so that means, see, while bulky alcohol is there, the reactivity is less. At the same time, bulky carboxylic acid group is there, that is also reactivity is less. Suppose here, if I take isopropyl, in that case, the maximum donating inductive effect is there, positive plus inductive group. So the plus nature here, electron deficiency is less. So this alkyl group, this alcohol cannot attack on this carbon. Okay, 2 reasons. ये भी big है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, ये भी big है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, that's why small is there, the reaction takes place very faster. Next, formation of acid chloride. Next, formation of acid chloride. This acid, carboxylic acid, react with PCl5, SOCl2, SO2Cl2. These all cases, the OH is replaced by chlorine. Okay, so here this OH is replaces by chlorine or COCl. Okay, byproducts are different. In case of PCl5, the byproduct is POCl3. POCl3. Okay, in case of SOCl2, the byproduct is sulfur dioxide. In case of SO2Cl2, the byproduct is SO3. SO3, sulfur trioxide. Next, formation of acid anhydrides. Carboxylic acid on treatment with any dehydrating agents. Carboxylic acid on treatment with any dehydrating agent as P2O5 to form anhydride by elimination of water molecules. Here we are taking two carboxylic acid. See here like this. One more carboxylic acid. Two carboxylic acids are there. Just you remove the water molecule like this, H2O. So you can see RC double bond O, RC double bond O, बीच में एक oxygen. Okay, this is the formation of anhydride. P2O5 heat. Formation of amides. Carboxylic acid react with either NH3 ammonia or substituted amines forming amide. Okay, amine is reacting with carboxylic acid forming amide. What to do here? Same, just remove the water molecule. See here, carboxylic acid react with hydrogen, 3 hydrogens. So water molecule, just you have to remove the water molecule. Here it is forming amide or C double bond O NH2. Okay, suppose here one R group is there, methyl group. Obviously here one R group will come. Okay, these are the substituted amides. Next, completely carboxylic acid involving. Now, reactions involving COH group. अभी तक क्या था? Only hydrogen involving. Next OH involving. Now total COH group is involving. Schmidt reaction, carboxylic acid react with hydrozoic acid and forming primary amides. That mechanism we are going to discuss now. Okay, so whenever this pi bond is, this charge is transferred to here, this pi bond is shifting here. Then R O minus OH, here nitrogen is there. Okay, now here O minus CO minus is there, nitrogen is there. So this hydrogen releasing as H plus, this hydrogen releasing as H plus and migrating to oxygen, OH, already one OH is there. Okay, here N is minus, then this total is N2 plus. Okay, now you can see here on same carbon two OH groups are unstable, so that's why one water molecule is releasing R C double bond O N minus N2 plus. Okay, so whenever this is giving here carbon getting 4 bonds, so this nitrogen is shifting to, alkyl group is shifting to nitrogen. So finally C double bond O double bond N double bond N. At the same time, this nitrogen is leaving as nitrogen gas, R group, plus N2 plus N2. Okay, it is forming like this. I can write here one more step to understand clearly. Suppose, okay, see here, removal of water molecule is like this: OH OH N minus N2 plus. This 5 sigma bond shifted here like this. Is the OH minus, is the H plus, H2O, water molecule is releasing. So R C double bond O, then N minus. Okay, this N minus and N2 plus is there. In that case, this nitrogen is releasing as nitrogen gas. So minus N2 gas minus water. Okay, so here negative charge is there, but this electron is taken by N2. That's why nitrogen is just lone pair, Now this, when lone pair is given to carbon, this R group is shifting here. So you can write again, same structure is same, C double bond O double bond N R. Okay, then next you can see here, after forming this isocyanate, just reaction with water, H and OH 2 times, then it is forming primary amines, then carboxylic acid. Okay, next soda lime decarboxylation. Soda lime means NaOH plus calcium oxide decarboxylating agent. So just CO2 is releasing, so alkane is forming. Then Huns-Dicker reaction. In the Huns-Dicker reaction, first reaction with Ag2O, this carboxylic acid forming carboxylate, silver carboxylate. Then the second step, reaction with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. Here also decarboxylation takes place. Okay, then alkyl halide. See the difference here, soda lime and Huns-Dicker mein. Here it is forming alkane, here it is forming alkyl halides or haloalkanes. This is only the difference. Then this carboxylic acid with excess of organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds means what? Organic compound react with metal, and this is called organometallic compounds. Generally Grignard reagent. Okay, even RCuR. Okay, even copper and whatever, zinc. Okay, these all are organometallic compounds. So carboxylic acid react with Grignard reagent, it is forming alkanes. First of all, whatever alkane is, the alkyl group is there in the Grignard reagent, that alkane is forming. Okay, so mainly this is the reason. Next, suppose if you take methyl lithium, this carboxylic acid react with methyl lithium is forming ketone. So mainly here, see, you can see the product here, methane. कभी भी organometallic reagents forming alkanes by taking active hydrogen. This hydrogen is called active hydrogen. Next, HVZ reaction, Hell-Wohlert-Zelensky reaction, HVZ reaction. Okay, so इसमें क्या होता है? This is the alpha halogenation of carboxylic acid. This is the alpha carbon. Alpha position में halogenation takes place. The reagent is red phosphorus red phosphorus and halogen. Generally bromine or chlorine we are taking. Okay, this is the named reaction, important. In the carboxylic acid, alpha position halogenation takes place. Same reaction you can observe here. If you take excess of chlorine, then all alpha hydrogens are replaced by chlorine. If there is no alpha hydrogen, there is no reaction. Then after this alpha halogenation, if you react with ammonia, then ammonia means the structure you can know this. So HCl निकाल दो, it is forming amino acid, alpha amino acid. If you take aqueous KOH का functioning क्या होता है? So replaces chlorine by OH. So alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. Then after that, if you do heat, if you do alcoholic KOH का functioning क्या होता है? minus HX. So dehydrohalogenation. So alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid is forming. If you take KCN, so CN, chlorine is replaces CN. Okay, then CN. If you do the hydrolysis, again carboxylic acid you are getting. If you heat these substances, one of the CO2 will be released. So R two carbons बीच में, then third carbon is carboxylic acid. You will get like this, minus CO2. If you heat, then you can see here same heating of beta keto acid. Beta position में keto है तो ये carboxylic acid easily undergoing decarboxylation, CO2 निकलता है, then you are getting ketone. So same carbon पे OH है तो water molecule release होता है. That is one concept. Okay, and same carbon two COOH groups are there, or C double bond group is there, one carbon dioxide is releasing. Next, heating of dicarboxylic acid, here simply releasing water molecule, forming anhydrides. You can see even P2O5 also we can use as a dehydrating agent. Then oxidation of carboxylic acids, ये rare reaction है. Acid on treatment with mild oxidizing agents such as H2O2 is oxidized at beta position. Alpha and beta position में you will get hydroxy. This beta hydrogen becomes oxidation hydroxy group. Okay, in case of selenium dioxide is there, oxidation can also occur at alpha carbon on treatment with oxidizing agent like selenium dioxide. If you use at alpha position, it will get oxidized ketone group will come, keto. Okay, alpha position. So these two reactions are oxidation reactions. Next we will discuss about formic acid and distinguish test in the next class. Bye.